Hello traders, today is Monday, July 21st. I'm going to do a quick review on the NASDAQ, or if you're trading the mini NASDAQ using the Sonic trading system. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. A few other things you should know: we have the news indicator available for free as a free trial, and we have the roadmap software roadmap system available as a free trial. Visit daytradetwin.com to get your free trial using our software on TradingView, or as you can see, NinjaTrader is what I have here on the chart. Now with the Sonic system, it creates a target, it creates a stop, it tells you the entry, and you can set the targets to larger or smaller. So in this case, if I'm going to apply the targets here, in this case, they are 2 times the ATR. So what that's telling me is that the market is moving, we're looking at price action, we're looking at a target that's 2 times the current market conditions, the way these candles are trading, the range of these candles. I'm taking a target 2 times the ATR. And you can see that there are a lot of opportunities. So if you're a scalper, if you want a smaller target, you want to get in and get out maybe 4 or 5 times in a row, this would be one from here to here, looking at $215, another $220, $220, here's another one, $250, $300, and so on. So there are plenty of opportunities here to trade. I don't think that we should trade, again, 20 or 30 times in a row. I think if you're up for the day after 5, 6 trades, $500, $1,000, just one contract, you should stop. There's no reason to continue trading. So my philosophy is be more accurate, trade less, and be finished early. Now let's say that you wanted to increase the target. So remember, these are multiple trades, multiple signals, all in a row. You're getting in, you're getting out. Some traders, they want to trade less, but they want to go for a larger profit target. So if I adjusted the target, instead of it being 2 times the ATR, let's set it to 5 times the ATR. So what that's really doing is you're saying, I want to hold on to this trade a little bit larger of a move. The market is in a trend. I want to take maybe $400 or $500 on every trade. And maybe even after 2 or 3 trades, I can be done. I mean, it's not that difficult to hold on to a trade. You have a specific target and you have a stop. And so this here, as an example, from here to here, this is $400. This trade from here to here is $460, and this trade from here to here is roughly $600. So what that tells me is that we have 2, 3, 4 trades in a row that are winners. There's no reason for me to continue trading after making $1,000 or $2,000. It's really time to stop and enjoy the rest of your day. So if you're interested in the Sonic trading system, this is what you can expect: the targets, the stops, the entries. You can adjust the way that you trade this, and it's versatile on any market. If you have any questions, visit daytradetwin.com, get the Sonic system, or if you don't have a free member account, get a free member account and you have access to the news indicator, which is this section up here, which tells you when news is going to come out. You can get the roadmap for a free trial as well as the ABC software. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetwin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.